Have you ever wondered how vast and fascinating our solar system is? The cosmos, a breathtaking tapestry of celestial bodies, is home to our very own solar system. A complex network of planets, asteroids, and comets all dancing around a central star, our Sun. Stretching across billions of miles, the solar system is a marvel of cosmic architecture. 8 unique planets, each with their own distinct characteristics, orbit the Sun in an intricate ballet of gravitational force. From the searing heat of Mercury to the icy rings of Saturn, each planet contributes to the symphony that is our solar system. Yet despite our best efforts to understand this celestial neighborhood, there remain countless mysteries hidden in its depths. Dark matter, distant dwarf planets, and the elusive Oort cloud are just a few of the enigmas that continue to pique our curiosity. Prepare to journey through the cosmos as we delve into 10 incredible facts about our solar system. Scene script. Fact number 1. The Sun holds 99.86% of the solar system's mass. An astonishing figure, isn't it? Our fiery star, the Sun, is quite the heavyweight. It's so massive, in fact, that it's over 700,000 kilometers in diameter. That's more than 100 times larger than Earth. Imagine, if you will, a million Earths squished together. That would about fill up the Sun. It's a celestial behemoth, a fiery giant in our cosmic backyard. But what's the Sun made of, you ask? Well, it's primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, with traces of other elements. The intense pressure and heat at its core fuel a process called nuclear fusion, converting hydrogen into helium. This process releases an incredible amount of energy, which we see and feel as sunlight. Now, the Sun isn't just a gigantic ball of burning gas. It plays an essential role in our solar system. Its gravitational pull is so strong that it keeps all the planets, asteroids, comets, and other celestial bodies in their respective orbits. Without the Sun's gravity, these bodies would simply drift off into the vast expanse of space. It's like a cosmic merry-go-round with the Sun at the center pulling all the riders towards itself. Moreover, the Sun's energy supports life on Earth. Its light fuels photosynthesis in plants, which forms the basis of most food chains. It heats our world, drives our weather, and even powers our technology through solar energy. But let's not forget, the Sun also protects us. Its magnetic field extends far beyond the furthest planet, creating a protective bubble shielding us from cosmic radiation. It's our guardian, our sustainer, and our guiding light in the dark expanse of space. It's easy to take the Sun for granted, considering it's been reliably rising and setting for about 4.5 billion years. But when you stop and think about it, our existence, our planet's existence, and the existence of our entire solar system owes a lot to this mighty star. So in essence, our solar system is almost entirely made up of just the Sun. Fact 2. Our planets orbit in an elliptical, not circular motion. This may come as a surprise, but the paths the planets take around the Sun aren't perfect circles. They're more like stretched out circles or ellipses. Why is this the case? Well, it's all thanks to a guy named Johannes Kepler and his laws of planetary motion. Back in the 17th century, Kepler proposed that planets move in elliptical orbits, with the Sun at one of the two foci. This law, known as Kepler's first law, defied the then popular belief of circular orbits. Kepler's laws also explain that planets move faster when they're closer to the Sun and slower when they're farther away. This is because the gravitational pull of the Sun is stronger when the planet is closer. So next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember that there's a whole cosmic ballet happening out there. Thus, our planets dance around the Sun in an elliptical ballet. Fact 3. Jupiter and Saturn are known as the gas giants. Now, these two aren't called giants just because of their size, though they are the largest planets in our solar system. The gas part of their name comes from their unique composition. Unlike Earth and the other terrestrial planets, Jupiter and Saturn are primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, much like the Sun. Imagine a world without solid ground, with storms that last for centuries, and where the air pressure is so high, it can compress gas into a metallic form. That's what it's like on Jupiter and Saturn. They're fascinating, aren't they? These gas giants also have a significant number of moons. Jupiter, for instance, boasts a whopping 79 moons, while Saturn isn't far behind with 62. So, here's a fun takeaway. Jupiter and Saturn, the largest planets, are largely composed of gas, hence their name. The universe never ceases to amaze, does it? Fact 4. Uranus and Neptune are icy giants. What sets these two planets apart from the likes of Jupiter and Saturn? It's their composition. While the gas giants are primarily made of hydrogen and helium, Uranus and Neptune have a different story to tell. They're composed mostly of heavier volatile substances, often referred to as ices. These include water, ammonia, and methane, which, under the extreme pressures of these planets, solidify into a hot, dense, slush-like substance. This gives rise to their unique blue-green appearance, a stark contrast to the banded hues of Jupiter and Saturn. These icy giants are situated in the outer reaches of our solar system, with Neptune marking the end of the planetary lineup. Their chilling temperatures, along with their icy composition, make them aptly named as the icy giants. These distant icy worlds are fascinatingly different from their larger gas giant siblings. Fact 5. There are more than just 8 planets in our solar system. Yes, you heard that right. Our cosmic neighborhood is more crowded than you might think. Beyond the familiar faces of Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, there's a whole cast of celestial objects known as dwarf planets and asteroids. Take Pluto, for instance. Once considered the 9th planet from the Sun, it was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006, stirring up quite a bit of controversy. But Pluto isn't alone out there. There's Eris, Haumea, Makemake, and Ceres, each with their own unique features and mysteries. And let's not forget the asteroids. Countless small bodies primarily found in the belt between Mars and Jupiter. These rocky remnants from the early solar system give us a glimpse into the past, helping scientists understand how planets formed. Our solar system is home to a host of smaller intriguing worlds beyond the 8 we commonly consider. Fact 6. The sun's light takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth. That's right, folks, you're seeing the sun as it was 8 minutes ago. This is because light, the fastest thing in the universe, travels at an incredible speed of approximately 186,000 miles per second. Now, let's delve a bit into the concept of light speed. It's calculated by dividing the distance light travels by the time it takes. So, when we say the sun's light takes 8 minutes to reach us, it's because it's about 93 million miles away. This speed of light has a significant impact on space exploration. When we send spacecraft to distant planets or galaxies, communication becomes a waiting game. For instance, a message from Mars can take between 4 and 24 minutes to reach Earth. So remember, even at the speed of light, space distances are so vast, it takes time for light to travel. Fact 7. Our solar system is huge, spanning about 287 billion kilometers. Now let's put that into perspective. If we shrank the solar system down so that the Earth is the size of a pea, the solar system would still be over 2 kilometers wide. That's a lot of space. Our solar system doesn't end at Pluto, contrary to what many people think. Beyond Neptune there's the Kuiper Belt, an icy region with a multitude of small celestial bodies. But wait, there's more. Even further out we find the Oort cloud, a theoretical cloud of predominantly icy planetesimals, believed to surround the Sun at a distance of up to 100,000 astronomical units. These regions are so distant that they're affected more by the gravity of passing stars than by the gravity of the Sun. So our cosmic neighborhood is considerably more extensive than one might initially assume. Fact 8. The highest winds in the solar system don't blow on Earth, but on Neptune. Now that's a gusty revelation for you. While our home planet experiences hurricanes and typhoons, our distant neighbor Neptune takes it to another level. This icy giant experiences wind speeds that can exceed 1,000 miles per hour. That's faster than the speed of sound on Earth. Now let's take a wider look at the weather in our solar system. From the scorching dust storms on Mars to the diamond rain on Saturn, the conditions on other planets make Earth's weather seem rather mild. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, sports a great red spot, a storm that's been raging for centuries. And then of course we circle back to Neptune. Its extreme winds whip around the planet at breakneck speeds, creating dark spots similar to Jupiter's storms. These colossal winds, the fastest in the solar system, are a testament to the extreme conditions that exist on other planets. Fact 9. Comets are the solar system's icy snowballs. In the grand cosmic ballet, comets are the unpredictable performers, often stealing the show with their spectacular appearances. These icy bodies are composed of a nucleus filled with rock, dust, and frozen gases. As they approach the sun, the heat causes the ice to vaporize, creating a glowing coma, and sometimes, a breathtaking tail that stretches across the night sky. Comets are like time capsules, holding secrets about the early solar system. Their unpredictable orbits often result from gravitational nudges from planets, primarily Jupiter, leading to a celestial dance that's hard to anticipate. Some comets visit our inner solar system regularly, while others swing by once and then disappear into the depths of space, perhaps never to return. But it's not all beauty and mystery. Comets have been known to bring chaos, as the impact from these icy wanderers could cause mass extinctions. Comets, the icy wanderers of our solar system, bring both beauty and potential chaos with their visits. Scene script. Fact 10. One day, our solar system will end. Let's venture into the distant future. Stars, much like living organisms, experience a life cycle. They are born, they live, and eventually, they die. Our sun, the heart of our solar system, is no exception. In approximately 5 billion years, it will exhaust its nuclear fuel. As it runs out of hydrogen, it will expand into a red giant, swallowing Mercury, Venus, and possibly Earth. But the sun's story doesn't end there. It will shed its outer layers, leaving behind its hot core. This stellar remnant, known as a white dwarf, will be roughly the size of Earth, yet it will retain much of the sun's original mass. The planets that survive this dramatic transformation will find their orbits drastically altered. The solar system, as we've come to know and study it, will cease to exist. In billions of years, the sun will have its last hurrah, marking the end of the solar system as we know it. So there you have it, 10 fascinating facts about our solar system. We've journeyed from the fiery sun, our system's heart, to the icy reaches of the dwarf planets and asteroids. We've danced with the planets in their celestial ballet, marveled at the colossal gas and icy giants, and pondered the speed of light that so defines our universe's scale. We've measured the immense size of our solar system, felt the alien winds on distant worlds, and watched the unpredictable comets streak across the sky. We've even dared to contemplate the end of our solar system, a sobering reminder of the universe's relentless march of time. Each fact underscores the incredible vastness, diversity, and dynamic nature of our home in the cosmos. Yet we've barely scratched the surface. With every new discovery, we gain a greater appreciation of our place in the universe. Our solar system, an astronomical marvel, continues to fascinate and surprise us as we unravel its mysteries.